Hi guys, so this is Paridhi Tulsian, your mentor at IMS, and today we will be I will be walking you through the 5-year MHCET form filling guidance. We all are aware the exam window is 10th June 2022, and I understand a lot of you have exams on that day, but hoping this date will be altered or some timing and something will be considered. For now, the dates are 10th June. The registration window has not changed. It is 19 March to 7th April. Test will be, the centers and everything will be announced in the given website. Okay, let's see how we are going to fill the form today. So program offered under the MHCET LLB are the 5-year exam, which offers you BA LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, and BSc LLB. So all the streams are covered under this. So students belonging to any stream can write this exam. Moving ahead to the eligibility. So the common eligibility over here is a 12th standard appearing or a passed out student. So when you are finalizing your process of admission, there you put up your final mark sheet, but till that time you can put up as appearing. The qualification of 10th, that is SSC, and 12th HSC may be obtained through any mode, that is distance, correspondence, or open schooling method, provided that the students from Open University system directly without having any basic qualifications are not eligible. Okay, so that should be considered. Moving ahead to the next eligibility, minimum percentages for the requirement at a different for different categories. First is 45% in aggregate for open EWS, that is economically weaker section of the society, and outside Maharashtra state candidates, which is known as OMS. Okay, minimum 40% marks in aggregate for candidates belonging to SC and ST categories belonging to the Maharashtra state. Again, MS, which is called as minimum 42% in aggregate VJNT, SBC, and OBC category candidates belonging to Maharashtra state. Again, MS. And moving to the Maharashtra state category, the candidates who are passing SSC and HSC examination from a recognized institute or an equivalent examination Maharashtra state, and there is a five types of categories are there. One is type A, where the candidates is a domicile. So if you're born in Maharashtra, or you have moved to Maharashtra and stayed there for 15 years and more, then you are a domicile of the state of Maharashtra. Type B is where your father or the mother of the candidate is domicile in the state of Maharashtra. Type C is the father or the mother of the candidates is an employee of the Government of India or Government of India undertaking who is posted and reported to duty in the Maharashtra state before the last date of submitting the application form, 7th April. So father or the mother of candidate is an employee of the Government of Maharashtra or the Government of Maharashtra undertaking is the type D, and type E is where the candidates passing SSC and HSC examination or equivalent examination from a recognized institute from a disputed Maharashtra-Karnataka border area and whose mother tongue is Marathi. When you're filling the form, please make sure you read the categories in detail again, sit with your parents or elder sibling, and make sure it is done. If you have any other issue, please contact me or any of your area mentors. Okay. Moving ahead to all India candidates from anywhere outside Maharashtra is considered as all India candidate. 15% reservation is there for in all the colleges for them, and all India candidates should fill their CET application only in open category. Then important dates of examination. Now the dates have changed, that is 10th June. Other than that, the issue of hall ticket is still 30th April for now. And other dates will be mentioned on the website. They have not announced it yet. Now, test pattern, we have discussed this in regular classes as well. There are 4 subjects, mainly. Maths is only 10 marks. So maths also is elementary maths. English, logical reasoning, legal, and general knowledge is of weightage of 40, 30, 40, 30, and 10. So total number of marks is also 1 per question. There is no negative marking, and you get 2 hours for that. The duration of the exam is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. Okay. And the question language will be in English as well as in Marathi. Checklist for the form filling. So whenever you sit down to fill the form, make sure you are having all these details with you. So they are advised to carefully fill and verify the details filled in the online examination themselves, as no change will be possible or entertained after clicking the final submit button. Then please keep the following docs or things ready for registration. So one is your recent passport size photograph, which is a scanned copy, and the size should be 20 KB to 50 KB. You can check it on your smartphone. The dimension should be 200 to 230 pixel is preferred. The picture should be in color, taken with a light colored wall. Like if you can see, my there's a white base and like a light base. Okay. Guys, don't worry about it. If you find like how to scan a passport size picture, there will be many apps online available. You can use that. I also use that only. Scanned image of the signature, same process. Signatures between 10 KB and 20 KB dimension, and 140 and 60 KB is pixel is preferred. Okay. And the applicant signature obtained on the call letter and attendance sheet at the time of the examination should match with the uploaded signature. In case of mismatch of the signature, the applicant may be disqualified. So make sure that you are only signing it when you're doing this. And you should have a valid email ID and a phone number. Please make it available when you're filling the form, and make sure you don't change that number. I would say take a screenshot also, whatever email or whatever notification you receive, so that you can keep it and record, and you don't miss out on that. Online registration. So the fees is 800 and 600. The 800 is for open category, EWS category for Maharashtra state. Outside Maharashtra state, all India candidates belonging to all categories and JNK migrant candidates. So all this have to pay 800 rupees. For candidates belonging to backward class category, SC, ST, VJ, DT, NTA, NT1, NT2, NT3, OBC and SBC. Categories belonging to Maharashtra state only having valid caste certificate and having valid non-creamy layer certificate valid up to March 2022 for DJ, DT, VJ, NT1, 2, 3, OBC and SBC candidates. So there's a difference of 200 rupees in the different categories. Okay, make sure again you see and you have that certificate, whichever category you belong to. Remember, the fees once paid is non-refundable and non-transferable also. So it's your choice. You have to write the exam or not, but the fees is not refundable. Once you've completed, check the status submitted. Okay, make sure it is done. Again, take a screenshot, I would say, and retain the hard copy of the form and the fee receipt. Take a printout and registration number and password. Again, take a screenshot of it, mail it to somebody or mail it to your parents, and remember you have to keep it in record. So all the best for your MHCET 5-year exam, guys. Bye.